Assalamu alaikum. This is Introduction to Psychology Part 2 by Dear Knowledge. Okay, so this is the chapter of learning, and we have covered lots of topic in the chapter of learning. And the new topic which we started in the chapter of learning was the concept of reinforcement. And in the concept of reinforcement, we have covered lots of topics in which we have covered the primary and secondary reinforcement, which was indeed a very detailed topic. And all the videos are present and all the videos are available on our YouTube channel. And after that, the next video is about positive and negative reinforcement. And again, all the videos are available on our YouTube channel. And I've also shared the link of all the videos and the playlist section in the description section, so you can click on that link and watch those videos. And you can also visit the playlist section to watch the video as well. So this is going to be the chapter of learning, and in the chapter of learning, this is going to be the lesson 2, which is the types of learning. And in types of learning, this is going to be the operant conditioning, and in operant conditioning, this is going to be the part 2M, which is the schedules of reinforcement. And under the schedules of reinforcement, we are going to cover the variable interval schedule of reinforcement, because we have covered the other schedules of reinforcement as well. And if you have missed any of the previous lecture about the schedules of reinforcement, I've given the links in the description section, and again, you can visit the playlist section as well, where you will find all the previous lectures on the schedules of reinforcement. In case if you're facing any difficulty in searching for that video, you can ask me in the comment section and I'll be happy to help you out. So this video is going to be about the schedule of reinforcement, and this is going to be a specific video on the variable interval of the variable interval schedule of reinforcement. So I would like to start my video with a proper definition in case if you're making notes, so you can pause the video and you can write the notes. So in this way, you can listen to the lectures and you can make the notes side by side, so you will get free notes and free lectures at one time. So grab your pencil and a notebook and start writing and start getting free notes. So the definition of the variable interval schedule of reinforcement is schedule of reinforcement in which the trial of the time that must pass before reinforcement becomes possible is different for each trial or event. So surprise tests are unpredictable. Students don't know exactly what they might be given a surprise test. So the best strategy is to study a little every night just in case there is a test the next day. So surprises are a good example of variable interval schedule of reinforcement, in which the interval of time after which the organism must respond in order to receive a reinforcer changes from one time to the next. For example, the rat might receive a food pellet every 5 minutes on average. Sometimes it might be 2 minutes, sometimes 10, but the rat must push the lever at least once after the interval to get the pellet, because the rat can't predict how long the interval is going to be. So it pushes the lever more or less continuously, producing the smooth graph, or if you make the graph of such kind of the reinforcement, so the graph would be very smooth. So once again, the number of responses is not important. So the rate of responding is not as fast as variable ratio schedule. Let me share another example of a variable interval schedule. Okay, another example of a variable interval schedule might be the kind of fishing in which people put the pole in the water and wait until the fish take the bait, if they are lucky. So they only have to put the pole in once, but they might refrain from taking it out for fear that just when they do it, The biggest fish in the world would swim by. Dialing a busy number is also this kind of schedule, as people don't know when the call will go through, so they keep dialing and dialing. So these are all the examples of variable interval schedule of reinforcement. Again, interval schedule of reinforcement are the schedule of reinforcement in which the interval of time that must pass before reinforcement becomes possible if different for each trial or event. So this was all about today's video. If your concept is clear, you can like the video, and if there was any point that was difficult, you can ask me in the comment section and I'll be happy to help you out. Plus, if you're new to this channel, you can subscribe to our channel, click on the bell icon so you'll never ever miss any notification. You can also share the link of this channel, the link of the video with your family members and friends, because sharing is caring. Until then, Allah Hafiz.